Alright, today I'm going to show you how to solder a volume pot in a guitar. Tone pots work exactly the same way. You just have to use a cap in between the ground lug and the case. But you want to make sure you got a good hot iron, which I do. This is the hottest iron I've got. I don't know how hot it goes. I couldn't tell you. What I can tell you is it's hot enough to do the job, and I don't ever have a problem with it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to tin each one of the lugs on this, and then I'm going to tin the back of it, and then I'll show you how to put the wire on. So quick and simple. To solder to the case on this without burning it up, I like to put some solder on my tip, tin the tip, take that, set it right on the case, let it set for a couple seconds, run some solder into it, take it off. You get a perfect pool right there. Make sure your wire has been tinned, which I've already tinned on this one, at which point you can very easily put it right into the solder, or you can take your solder pool, lay your wire on it, set it right in. Just like that, you got a perfectly soldered pot.